this, today we discuss about the theorem 1.1, that is division algorithm. It is A is equal to B Q plus R. Here the condition is R is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to B. This is the condition. To understand this division algorithm, let in a garden a swarm of bees are there. Swarm means it is a group. కొన్ని బీస్ యొక్క గుంపు ఇక్కడ ఉందన్నమాట. Bees are equally settled on each flower. So here some cases he given. In the first case, if flowers is equal to 2, then left base is equal to 1. In second case, if flowers is equal to 3, left base is equal to 2. Third case, if flowers is equal to 4, left base is equal to 3. Fourth case, if flowers is equal to 5, left base is equal to 0. So he is given conditions in this manner. If the flowers are 2, then the bees left are 1. First condition is flowers రెండు ఉన్నాయి అనుకుంటే, so all the bees are equally settling on the each flower. 2 flowers పైన ఈక్వల్ గా bees సెటిల్ అయినప్పుడు ఒక బీ లెఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఒక బీ ఖాళీగా ఉంటుంది. సో హియర్ సిమిలర్లీ ఒకవేళ 3 ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకుంటే అన్ని బీస్ ఈక్వల్ గా సెటిల్ అయినప్పుడు 2 బీస్ ఖాళీగా ఉంటాయి. అట్లాగే నెక్స్ట్ 4 ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకుంటే 4 ఫ్లవర్స్ మీద ఆల్ ద బీస్ ఈక్వల్ గా సెటిల్ అయినప్పుడు 3 బీస్ ఖాళీగా ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్ 5 ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకుంటే అన్ని బీస్ 5 ఫ్లవర్స్ మీద ఈక్వల్ గా సెటిల్ అయినప్పుడు ఒక బీ కూడా ఖాళీగా ఉండదు. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు దీస్ కండిషన్స్ వి స్టార్ట్ ద పజిల్. So first let we assume number of bees, total number of bees is equal to 35. There are 35 bees are there. Let assume 35 bees are there, and in first case he is given case 1, he is given that flowers, number of flowers is equal to 2. Here 35 bees are there, only 2 flowers are there. So these 35 bees have to settle on the 2 flowers with equally divided groups. So equally divided 2 groups. 35 is going to divide with the 2. 2, 35, 2 ones are 2, 1, 2 sevens are 14. Here this is the remainder. So this we can say this is divisor, this is dividend, this is quotient, this is remainder. So this we can write in the form here, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here the format we are writing is this dividend is equal to this divisor into this quotient plus this remainder. So in our this garden story, this dividend is nothing but total number of bees. Total number of bees. This divisor is nothing but, in our garden story, this divisor is nothing but number of flowers. This quotient is nothing but, it is number of bees number of bees on each flower plus this remainder is nothing but left bees. Means మొత్తం ఎన్ని బీస్ ఉన్నాయి, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు టోటల్ ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇంటూ ఈచ్ ఫ్లవర్ పైన ఎన్ని బీస్ వాలి ఉన్నాయి ప్లస్ ఎన్ని బీస్ ఖాళీగా ఉన్నాయి. సో దిస్ we can write this is number of flowers is nothing but this is about the, we can write this is what or number of equally divided groups into this number of bees on each flower, we can say number of bees in each group. So this left bees is as usual same, left bees. So this total number of bees also same. Later, this total number of bees is representing with x, that is equal to number of flowers is going to represent with y into this number of bees on each flower is representing with a plus this remainder is representing with r. So here we got an equation that is x is equal to ya plus r. Here this x is the dividend and y is the divisor, a is the quotient and r is the remainder. Here we apply this rule for the case 1. According to this, we can draw the figures. That is, here I am drawing this. Here 2 flowers are there. So these are equally divided bees. So on the 2 flowers, equally divided bees are there, and the left bees here I am writing. That is about 1 given in the first case. So by our analysis, if we are taking 35 bees, total number of bees 35, means it is equally divided into 17. This is A, 17 here and 17 here. Next, the left bees are 1. The complete one, 17 plus 17, 34, 34 plus 1, 35. So in case 1, we can write that here x is equal to y a plus the given remainder is in the case 1, that is 1. So here we can write x is total number of bees 35, that equally divided groups are 2, and that a is 17, so plus 1. So here 2, 17 is 34, 34 plus 1, 35. So this is our case 1. So this we can write, that is 35 is equal to 2a plus 1. Now for all the cases, here we are assuming that total number of bees is equal to 35. For all the cases we are assuming this one. So in the case 2, in the case 2, here in the case 3, here in the case 4. Here for case 2, the total number of flowers is equal to, given that is 3. Here number of flowers is equal to, given that is 4. Here number of flowers that is equal to 5 is given. So means here this total 35 bees are going to equally settle on 3 flowers in case 1. So that means here 35 is going to divide with 3. So we can get 3 ones are 3. Again 3 ones are 3. Here 2 is the remainder we got here. So means here this is y, this is x, and this is a, and this is the remainder. So here in our format, x is equal to ya plus r, so that 35 is equal to 3 into 11 plus 2. So these are the number of bees left. So this is second case. There are 3 flowers are there. So means here these are the 3 flowers. The bees are equally divided here. and the left bees, those are, from our condition, the left bees are 2. So here this A value equally divided bees is 11 here, 11 here and 11 here. Like here 17, 17 in the previous case. So means this one we can write here 35 is equal to 3 groups into A plus the remainder is 2. Here A is equal to 17. So case 3, flowers are 4. So means this 35 bees are going to be equally settled on 4 flowers. So this 35 is going to divide with the 4. Here 4 adds 32. Then the remaining bees are 3. So this we can write x is equal to ya plus r. So means 35 is equal to this y means this 4 plus a means this 8 plus this r means 3. So here for case 3, this is second case, this is the first case, and here for case 3 the flowers are 4. So these bees are equally divided into 4 groups. Here the number of bees left bees is equal to 3 bees are left here. So equally divided bees, those are 8 here, 8 here, 8, 8. So this we can write 35. Total number of bees is equal to number of groups 4, number of bees in each group 8 plus the remainder, that is the left bees are 3. So this 8 is A. Here we will write A is equal to 8. And coming to the case 4, here these 35 bees are going to settle on 5 flowers with equally divided groups. So means this 35 is going to divide with 5, 5 7s are 35, so the remainder is 0. So here we can write x is equal to ya plus r. Here 35 number of bees and the equally divided groups are 5. So the a is equal to this 7 plus the remainder is 0 here. So for this case we can write directly, we write here 35 is equal to equally divided groups. Number of bees in each group is that is a plus left bees are 0, that is equal to case 4. Here a is equal to, we can write that is 7. So these are the cases for given garden story. Here we rewrite all the cases once again. So case 1, that for number of flowers 2, the total number of bees 35. So the left bees are 1. For this we got here 35 is equal to 2a plus 1 here we got. In the second case, case 2, 35 is equal to 3a plus 2 we got here. Case 3, 35 is equal to 4a plus 3 we got here. Case 4, 35 is equal to 5a plus 0 here. So in this case a is equal to 17. Here case 2 a is equal to 11. In this case a is equal to 9. In this case a is equal to 7 here. So we can observe here, this is the remainder R, and this is A, and this is Y, and this is X. Here just we are observing R and Y. This R is always less than the Y here. Here 1 less than the 2, here 2 less than 3, here 3 less than the 4. So like that here means from each and every case we can observe that here this R is less than the value which is here, that is Y, and greater than or equal to 0. Here it is 0, so greater than or equal to 0. Here this format is nothing but that is X is equal to Y into A plus R. So this is the condition. This is nothing but division algorithm, which is right here. So this we can write, that is A is equal to BQ plus R. The condition is R is greater than or equal to 0 and less than B here. This B here. Here this Y here.